Alright, so this is our next question from CAT 24, the second slot. It says sum of the infinite terms 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 5 square into 1 by 5 square minus 1 by 7 square plus 1 by 5 cube into 1 by 5 cube minus 1 by 7 cube is equal to. So let's look at the conventional method first. 1 by 5 we multiply with both the terms inside. 1 by 5 into 1 by 5, when these two terms get multiplied, I will get 1 by 5 the whole square minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 would be 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 plus next term is 1 by 5 square into 1 by 5 square minus 1 by 7 square. So 1 by 5 square when multiplied by 1 by 5 square, I will get 1 by 5 raised to 4 minus 1 by 5 square into 1 by 7 square is 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 the whole square. I have simply used the properties of indices. A raised to m into b raised to m is a into b the whole raised to m, right? Plus 1 by 5 cube into 1 by 5 cube minus 1 by 7 cube. When this gets multiplied by 1 by 5 cube inside, 1 by 5 cube into 1 by 5 cube becomes 1 by 5 the whole raised to 6, right? Minus 1 by 5 cube into 1 by 7 cube will be 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 the whole cube. And this continues for infinite terms. Okay. Now, if you observe carefully, 1 by 5 square can be written as 1 by 25. Okay. 1 by 5 raised to 4 can be written as 1 by 25 square. 5 raised to 4 will be same as 25 square, right? Plus 1 by 5 raised to 6 can be written as 1 by 25 raised to 3. Right? 5 raised to 6 will be 5 raised to 2 raised to 3, right? So 25 cube. So if I club these terms together, I will generate a series, right? 1 by 25 plus 1 by 25 square plus 1 by 25 cube up to infinite terms, right? This is the first part of the solution. Okay, we club these terms together, the powers of 1 by 5, and that generates a new series, right? If you now look at the other terms, minus sign outside, all these terms have minus sign. Minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7, minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 square, minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 cube. This is another series, right? I'll indicate it in blue. 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 7 is 1 upon 35. Okay, 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 7 the whole square is 1 upon 35 the whole square. Similarly, 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 7 the whole cube is 1 upon 35 the whole cube, and this continues till infinite terms. Now, carefully observing these two parts, we can say that we have two infinite GPs getting formed, right? This is an infinite GP. The first term here is 1 by 25, and so is the common ratio, right? Similarly, on this side, the second part, the blue part, also we have an infinite GP. The first term is 1 by 35, and so is the common ratio. Okay, we always know that for the sum of the infinite terms of a GP, it is A upon 1 minus R. Okay, and now we can very quickly solve this question. The first part here in red is A, the first term 1 by 25 upon 1 minus R. R is also 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 upon 1 minus 1 by 25. This is the first part. The second part is also 1 by 35. That is the first term upon the common ratio is also 1 by 35. So A upon 1 minus R is 1 by 35 upon 1 minus 1 by 35, right? Okay, little simplification will give us the answer quickly. So the first term here is 1 by 25 divided by 1 minus 1 by 25 is 25 minus 1, 24 upon 25, right? Minus, similarly, we have the second term as 1 by 35 in the numerator. Denominator is 1 minus 1 by 35, that's basically 34 by 35, right? 25 cancels here in the first term and 35 cancels here in second term. I am left with 1 upon 24 minus 1 upon 34. My final answer is 1 upon 24 minus 1 upon 34. The next step we cross multiply. So 34 minus 24 upon 24 into 34, right? So the final answer would be 10 upon 24 into 34. 2 and 2 cancels, here 5 remains, in here 12 remains. 5 divided by 12, 4s are 48, 4 carry, 36 and 4 is 40. The answer is 5 upon 408. That is the A option. Now that was the conventional method. I'll tell you a quick shortcut for all such questions now. And for that we will need the on-screen calculator though. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7. Let's calculate the approximate value for this particular term. The second part is 7 minus 5 upon 5 7s are 35, and we also have 1 by 5, right? So this is 1 by 5 into 2 by 35, right? The approximate value will be 2 upon 5 into 35 is 175. So 2 divided by 175, this is approximately 0.0114. Okay, the first term. Similarly, guys, the second term will be 1 by 25 into 1 by 25 minus 1 by 49, 7 square, right? So again, cross multiply. This will be 1 by 25 into 49 minus 25 would be 24 divided by 25 into 49, right? Here the approximate value is, so 24 divided by 625 divided by 49. This is 0.00078. Okay, and similarly, if you check, the next term would be even further decreased in value, right? So we just take the approximate value of these two numbers and add them, 0.00114. Okay, we add this to the one that we have got here, 0.00078. Okay, the approximate sum of these two numbers comes out to be 0.012. Okay, now what this means is I want an answer option that is very near to 0.012, and that should be the correct one. So if you look at the D option is 5 divided by 816. This is 0.0061, quite the half of what we have actually found, so that's not correct. The C one says 7 divided by 408. 7 divided by 408 is approximately 0.017, quite large, slightly greater than what we want. Next one is 7 divided by 816. Well, that is also 0.0085, not correct. The A one is 5 divided by 408. 5 divided by 408 is indeed 0.0122. Perfect. That's exactly what you want, right? And that is the correct answer to your question, option A. Okay, so that's a very short and sweet method for solving these particular questions. We had a similar question in CAT 23 also. You can check out the link in the description. I put the same.